Do you want to hear my theory? I just explained it to the boys that people who ride motorcycles are the warrior class. You know, we are the gods amongst men. We are the wolves amongst the sheep.
Men, just men, you say.
Hey?
What about
And the women ride a motorcycle. Wow, up here. Everybody else, sheep. Whatever you do, never try Guinness in Ireland. Changes your whole life.
Here we are, Northwest Island.
There was standing stones, there was stuff from the Druid years, there was a castle, there was everything. You could see the whole progression of mankind in this one circuit, and it was really intense. I mean, yeah, everything is here. It's just...
It feels like the cradle of civilization.
Look, yeah, you know, you can have Egypt.
Yeah,
really.
no, it feels like that
They
here.
did one thing well for 3,000 years. Over here, you can see the development.